Now, something that I wanted to mention right now, because it may have already happened to you that you opened your level and when you close it to take a break or and come back, or maybe you came back next day, you may find that you have nothing here loaded. Well, you need to specify which areas you want to have loaded in your editor when you're using a word partition enabled map. Now, to know which areas we can load or unload, what we're gonna do is here in Window, Word Partition, we're gonna select the Word Partition editor. And here we will find the map that we have created. If I want to load everything, then I just need to select everything, right click, and we can load the region from selection. And now I have the map, the whole map. If I want to unload, then unload selected region, and well, it has been unloaded. Now, this part, because we have our nav mesh bounds, and I mean, we could force it to unload it, but Unreal knows that we're working here, so it's not unloading it. So if you really wanted to unload everything, I mean, you can select everything and then unload and keep unloading stuff. Can I? Can I unload? Okay, I'm not unloading this, but let's save. And now let's open this level again. Now we're seeing that nothing is loaded and it's telling you, hey, there are no loaded regions. So if you click on it, you will see the things that you have here. If you want to load everything, you already know. Right click, select with left click, right click, load region from selection. And now we have our overall map. And we can build a minimap here. If you click here, build, and build word partition editor minimap, clicking this will actually take a while. Well, it depends on how big your map is. So you want to do that part at the end. So I'm not gonna click it just yet, but it's good for you to know that that's a feature that Unreal has. So I'm gonna return to the details panel and let's continue.